like to welcome you all on behalf of Pakistani Association Northeast to this flag raising ceremony, which marks the 78th anniversary of Pakistan's independence. So this is an important occasion for all of us, and it reminds of our identity, which travels with us throughout our journey in UK. So this is one of those things which are really important, and we keep it with us, and we feel proud being the part of being Pakistani and being the part of the UK society. And we try to do our best in this country, and as well as for our Pakistan, to bring good name to the Pakistan. So that's what we have been doing in terms of this association and this Independence Day event. So, you know, there are many people here, many children here, so we need to take care of each of them. There will be flag raising ceremony, and there will be number of activities, for example, song, obviously the recitation from the Quran from the Qari Sahib, and a song, and the flag raising ceremony by the Lord Mayor. So that's what it will happen. So once again, I would welcome you all on behalf of Pakistani Association Northeast, and I would invite Qari Sahib to do the recitation from the Holy Quran. Please, Qari Sahib.